Hey guys, it is 10:55 Sunday night, and I got a call for no cooling an hour away from my house. So I am headed there to address the issue, and I will see if there's anything to get some footage of, and we will probably be doing what I would call a midnight vlog or video. So I'll get back up with you when I get there. And there goes the phone again. Yep, just got another one. So we may have a two systems to work on at midnight. I'll be back in a bit. We are blowing the low voltage fuse whenever we connect the yellow wire to the zone board on the equipment side. So let's see if we can figure out why. Alright, we found there to be a short in the yellow wire going from the air handler to the condenser. So we have swapped it out. Luckily we had some extra wires, and we are using black for yellow from the air handler to the outside. Hope that'll take care of it. As soon as I plug the wire back in, the condenser cut on, and we have refrigerant movement again. This is sort of an interesting situation because the home was vacant for quite some time, and then the current owners bought it, and the night before they moved in, the outdoor unit was stolen. So we were contacted to replace the condenser, and when we replaced the condenser, there was a screw up, and instead of a heat pump condenser, they gave us a straight AC. So we connected it as a straight AC and had to follow up to install the heat pump. We installed the heat pump, and it was existing air handler, existing zone system, and all we did was the condenser. But I don't know about you guys, but I feel like regardless of whether we only did the condenser, we would still be somewhat liable for potential issues with the system. And since we found the wire from the air handler to the condenser to be the wire with the short in it, I don't see why it's not logical to go ahead and claim that liability as a potential issue that we had a part in. So anyway, we're on to the next one for our midnight service. This wasn't too bad. Had a dead capacitor. You know, my favorite customers are the ones that swear up and down that they don't need to pay a diagnostic fee simply because they know for sure what's wrong with it. This particular customer said that they weren't going to pay a diagnostic because they knew it was Freon. And it wasn't. So you gotta love the homeowner diagnosed systems. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the midnight service calls. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll see you on the next video.